Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today in this video I will show you guys how to show or hide file extension in Windows. It's actually pretty simple. So first what you want to do is you have to open up your file explorer. You can click on this icon over here, or you can just open up my computer from your desktop. Right, once this window comes up, you have to click on this three dot icon, then click on options. Then from there, click on view. Then here, if you see here, there is a checkbox called hide extension for known file types. Just uncheck that. Then click on apply, click on OK. And now you will see all the extension that you can see: JPG, AAE, MP4, everything, right? So that is how you do it. If you want to hide those file extension, what you can do is go to options again, click on view, and you have to check this checkbox basically. Then click on apply, then click OK. That's it. Hope you guys like this video.